So, hi guys, our topic is all about Boyle's law. So, maraming gas law sa chemistry. So, first is Boyle's law. And ito yung mga sample problems niya, dalawa. Solve it. First, we're going to define what is the formula of Boyle's law. Boyle's law, by the way, is the relationship about pressure and volume. There is initial pressure, initial volume, and also final pressure and final volume. So the relationship between pressure and volume are inversely proportional sa Boyle's law kasi merong gas law sa chemistry na directly proportional sila. Or for example, the pressure increases, the volume also increases. So yan yung directly proportional. Unlike Boyle's law, the relationship in pressure and volume are inversely proportional. Say, for example, if nag-decrease si pressure, tataas si volume. Same, baliktad sila, magkabaliktad. So, this is the formula for Boyle's law. This is P1. P1 denotes initial pressure, and V1 denotes initial volume. And here, this is P2 or the final pressure. And ito naman, si V2, this is the final volume. So now, this is the formula of Boyle's law. So, yan. I-apply natin itong formulang to dito sa dalawang problems, sample problems. So, problem number 1. Anyway, ko dito solution. Then yung given dito. Ito yung problem, no? Number 1. A 2.5 liter container has a gas pressure of 4.6 atmosphere. If the volume is decreased to 1.6 liters, what will be the new pressure inside the container? So, first is meron tayong initial volume, V1, na 2.5 liters. And, yes, meron tayong initial pressure, that is P1, na 4.6 atmosphere. Take note sa mga unit kasi yan yung magiging reference nyo if pressure ba yan or volume. So, eto, nag-decrease si volume daw. So, may final pressure siya na 1.6 liters, and yung ina-ask sa problem is the final pressure. I-leave as blank natin si final pressure. Lalagay natin yung formula dito. P1 times V1 equals to P2 V2. So, sasubstitute lang natin yung mga given, no? Sa initial pressure, meron tayong 4.6 atmosphere. Close and open parenthesis. Then the initial volume is 2.5 liter. Sa initial pressure, wala. So, lalagay lang natin na P2. Then sa final volume, that is 1.6 liters.
Mahunig ka? Ano sa inyo balay? May balay natin?
So, ayan. Ang pagsusolve yan is yung P2, ilalagay natin dito. Ito, yun yung magiging numerator natin. So, ayan. Cancel out natin yung units. Then, matitira ito si atmosphere. Lagay lang natin dito. Final pressure is, the unit is 80 atmosphere per ATM. So, solve natin. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung shift solve na way sa pagsusolve sa cycle nyo or scientific calculator. So, ayan, the final pressure is 7.19. Round up ko na lang. No? Kasi 7.1875 yung nandito. So, 7.19 rounded up. That is our P2. Lagay ko lang. 7.19. Oh, wait. Atmosphere. So, para tingnan talaga natin or para ma-check natin yung changes sa bawat pressure and volume. So, lalagay natin dito yung lalagay tayo ng initial condition. First, dito muna tayo sa volume. So, changes is sa initial 2.5 pero sa final naging 1.6 liters na lang. So that is decreases sa changes. Wait na. So lagyan natin ng volume or V decreases. Tapos dito sa pressure naman, since 4.6 sa initial pressure and sa final pressure is naging 7.19, so of course the changes is increases kasi tumaas siya. May push na. Na-solve na natin yung final pressure and na-determine natin yung changes sa volume and pressure. That is for number 1. Let's proceed to number 2. So, ayan, sa number 2. Determine natin yung mga given. 4.31 liters. Dito, a gas occupies 4.31 liters. So, this is now our initial volume. At a pressure of 0.755 atmosphere. So, this is our initial pressure, 0.755. Yung final volume natin, determine the volume if the pressure is increased to 1.25. So, si final volume yung missing. So, the final pressure is 1.25 atmosphere. So, let's solve. Substitute the given values. Initial pressure is 0.755. So, sa initial volume, merong 4.31 liters. So, final pressure is merong 1.25. And sa final volume, wala. So, let's solve. Lagay ko lang dito yung final volume or V2. 0.755 atmosphere. So, lagi mo ilalagay sa ilalim yung walang katulad na units. 4.31 liters over 1.25 atmosphere para ma-cancel out yung same unit. Since dito sa taas or sa numerator may atmosphere, so cancel out the same unit and solve. Just round off na lang. That is 2.60 yung unit liters. So this is now our final volume. So sulat natin sa table. Initial condition, the initial pressure is 0.755. Then initial volume is 4.31. Sa final pressure, we have 1.25. Sa final volume, we obtain 2.60 liters. So let's identify the changes. Sa pressure, 0.755 sa initial, and sa final, 1.25. Of course, it increases. Pressure increases. And dito sa baba, volume, 4.31 liters. Tapos bumaba siya sa 2.60. So, volume decreases. Since inversely proportional, ayan, increases yung pressure and yung volume decreases. Ayan, identify na natin yung changes. And yes, yung final volume, nakuha na rin natin. And okay, proceed tayo sa next law, which is Charles' law.